How to find location on Google Map. First thing you do is go ahead and open up your Google Maps app. And once you open it up, you just want to find a location where you want to find the coordinate of. So let's say it could be any monumental place or any landmarks, or it could just be a random place as well. So if I tap on this right here, in order to get its coordinate, what you need to do is scroll down a bit, and then here you'll be able to see all. So just tap on see all and then scroll down until you find the coordinates. Click on this drop down right here, and then from here you'll be able to get its coordinates. Long press on it, and then the address will be copied to your clipboard. And now let's say if you want to find coordinate of a random place. So for example, this right here, I'm just going to mark a location right here. So just tap on this location, tap and hold on it. And then here you'll be able to get its coordinates. So on top, here on the search bar, you'll get the coordinates. So go ahead and just long press on the place. And as you can see, here are the coordinates. You could just go ahead and copy it. So here I've selected this random place. Tap on this and then long press on it to copy the coordinates. Just copy it and you should be able to get its coordinate. Now if I just go ahead and clear out my Google Maps and open it again. Now let's just move a bit far from this place, somewhere around here. And now if I just paste the coordinate that I copied and then hit enter, it will take me to the exact place. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.